So in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to use an AI program called Chat GPT to help you write an ebook for absolutely free. Also, after you write the ebook, I will put a link down below so you can watch my video on how to create an ebook step by step through Canva for absolutely free. So now let's get started. So when you go to Chat GPT, you're going to come to your first screen will be look like this. And so the first thing to get started with ChatGPT, it says, "What can I help you with?" And basically, you got some things down here that you can actually click onto, or you can just write whatever you want in here. Now we're gonna write something, so we're gonna help me write a book, and it's gonna make some suggestions. But they don't have the ebook that we want. So basically, we're just gonna go ahead and type in, "Help me write a ebook um, on goals." So we're going to write a book on goals, how to set goals or goals itself. And you click onto that, and it's going to give you some suggestions here. So here they actually give you a title, and you can see how it's just kind of going through chapters and stuff. Now this is not the actual book, how you can write it, but it kind of does a layout for you. So here's the title: the ultimate goal to setting and achieving your goals, which I like. If you want to actually have more titles, you can actually write in here. Um, Add more titles to an ebook on goals, and it would come up with a list of titles and stuff. But I actually like this title, so I'm going to keep that, and it gives you a little introduction here and stuff. So from here on, what you're going to easily do is the power of goal setting. So what you're going to do over here, be chapter one is the power of goal setting. So you go over here, and all you're going to do is um, you're going to tell Chat GPT to write uh, two paragraphs about the power of goal setting. And then what you're going to see is it's actually going to start writing some paragraphs. And there you go. So here's two paragraphs that is just written on the goal setting. Why setting goals is essential for success, the physical now. And then you can just go ahead and read through this if you wanted to. And then basically what you're going to do is in whatever program you're using to design your ebook, you basically just going to, hover over that just like that. And you can do both paragraphs if you want to. And then you would just copy and paste it just like that. We're not going to move that. I want to kind of show you how we can move through the other paragraphs and stuff like that. Now, if let's say you read through it and you want to add some stuff, you can actually do it in here, or you can actually do it in the program where you're um, building your creating your ebook and stuff like that. But you can see, I'll just type a few words. Um, yeah, just so you can see, you can just add to it, and it's real simple. And then if you don't need it, you can delete it and stuff like that. So let's go down here with Jazz PT again, down in this area here, and we're going to go do the same thing, defining your goals. And what we're going to do is we're just going to do the same thing. Tell Chat PT to write two paragraphs about finding your goals. And then you just hit enter, and then again you're going to watch it write two paragraphs, and you can ask it to do more paragraphs or less paragraphs, whatever you want to do. And you don't have to do all the chapters that they put in. You can actually add and delete the chapters if you want. So let's move on down here. It was going down. I just got to bring it up. And there it is. You can see where you can actually eliminate all this if you want, or you can just do the layout too. A lot of times you can just, if we want to write a paragraph on the small gold framework, you could have just done that. So let's do 2 paragraphs of that. Um, write 2 paragraphs about the smart gold framework, and then you're going to see it's going to actually make 2 more paragraphs. And you can see as it's scrolling down, it's going to come down to smart, and there it is. It's going to go all the way down, and then just there it is. It just wrote 2 more, and you just keep going through that. I mean, you can go up here and because this is the layout. So let's just do chapter 3 instead of creating 2 paragraphs of creating. Let's go to each one of these and break that down. So you can break down goals into management steps. And the same thing. For some reason, I just like 2 paragraphs, and then I can add my own personal about. So we're going to do on this one. We're going to do breaking down goals into management steps. Breaking down goals into manageable. And you just hit enter, and then you're going to see it start coming down. I'm going to go through chapter 2. Here it comes. You'll see it coming down to chapter 3. There it is. And again, you just kind of go through each one. So your next 2 paragraphs will be setting deadlines, and then after that, you can use 2 or 1 or 3 paragraphs, whatever you want, for tracking progress effect. And then you just kind of put it all together when you're putting it, when you just copy and paste it, and then you just drop it into your program, whatever program you're using to create or design your ebook. And you just kind of go through. You can add steps, chapters you want to, or you can get rid of these chapters. Like if you don't want to do these chapters, you don't have to. And then you have a resource. You got your conclusion that it actually usually writes. So if you want a bigger conclusions, then you can just add for more on the conclusion of the book and stuff. And that's pretty much all it is. I would recommend you to go in and read everything, because sometimes they're not accurate, or it's not as good written as it could be. And you get to add your own personal. I do recommend that you do add some of your own personal stories, or throw in some stories that helped you to reach certain goals and stuff like that. So that way they can identify with you, and that's pretty much it. How you can let Chat GPT help you write an ebook, and that's how easy it is to create an ebook using AI Chat GPT. Now, I will add a link down below on my step-by-step video on how to create an ebook with Canva, absolutely free. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.